In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Bookmarks act like a built-in table of contents, making long documents easy to navigate. They let your readers jump straight to a section without scrolling, which is especially helpful for reports, manuals, and multi-page forms. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to edit is open in the main window. You'll be working directly on the page where you want the bookmark to land, so confirm you're viewing the correct spot in the document. Think of the current page view as the destination your readers will arrive at when they click the bookmark. Next, move your mouse over the area of the document you want to mark. If you're working with a form, position your cursor over the relevant field or section. Then right-click on the form or page area. This brings up a context menu with options related to that location. Right-clicking here is a quick way to tell Acrobat, use this exact spot as the target. From the menu that appears, click on Add Bookmark. The Bookmarks panel will appear, and a new bookmark entry will be created for you. You'll see a text field ready to be named. Acrobat links this new bookmark to the precise view you had on screen when you invoked the command, so you don't need to set a destination separately. Type a clear, descriptive title for the bookmark. Instead of something generic, use a label that will make sense to anyone reading the file, such as Introduction Section 2, Eligibility, or Signature Page. Good naming keeps your document organized and makes navigation effortless for your audience. Once you finish typing, the bookmark is saved and immediately usable. You'll now see it listed in the bookmarks area on the left, and clicking it will jump the document view straight to that location. That's all it takes. Open Acrobat with your PDF, right-click where you want the jump point, choose Add Bookmark, and give it a helpful name. As a best practice, keep your titles consistent and concise so the list is easy to scan. If you're preparing a document for others, consider mirroring the wording of your headings to reduce confusion. And if you're working on a form, naming bookmarks after each section or required action can guide users through completion in the right order. With these simple actions, your PDF becomes far more user-friendly and professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, navigable documents with bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat.